Hello guys, I want to teach you guys how to use color on a single wall. Use different color on a single wall. You know. So let's go to wall. Let's draw our single wall. I don't want to use this drawing. I've gone to wall. So you go to wall and you just set what you have done. So let's set this to 3000. Let's set this wall to 3000 height. Just set it to 3000 height. 3000 height. Then you go to your elevation. So this is the wall you have drawn. This is your wall. You can see our building that we are doing. It's ongoing. So this is our wall. So what you do is to go to line, find line, you click on line. Make sure that your line is that you are using the dark color on this line. Then it's either you use another color. If you know you cannot see it, maybe you use another color that you can see, maybe red. You know, let's draw with red and see. This red, you can see it. So just make sure that the line is with the color that you can see on top of this elevation. So let's use red. So we use red. We go here. You click 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 here. Click here. And you close it. Make sure it is closed. Then you draw another line. You draw for another color. You close it. And we go another one. You close it. So let's allow this to be this way. So you have gotten your lines on this. So the next thing is you go to Morphe tool. Use Morphe. Trace this line. Trace what you have done here. Trace all what you have done. So after getting this, you go to your 3D and see what you have done. You can see it. You can see them, so you just select them. They are not close to the wall. You select them and move it. Move it to the wall. Then you click on here and click on this. You increase the thickness. Enter. Right click. So okay. So I think you have increased the thickness of this. Then this too. Let me see if I can increase all the thickness at once. If not, if it's not possible, we do it one by one. So you go here. Enter. You right click and you say okay. So I think you increase the whole thickness at once. You can see it. You have increased the thickness. So when you click to this differently, you come here and you just change the color. Let's say you go with this. You come here and you come here. You change this color. Let's go with this. You come here, you change the color. Unless we change the color to this, and you say okay. You come here and you override and you change the color. You come here, override. And let's change the color to something brighter. Okay, let's go here. Let me change this color. You can see it. So this is, let's change this wall color and make it a little bit brighter to this wall color. Make it brighter. So this is it. You can see it. You can see how you have changed your wall. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did.